Alright, day in the life. As you can see, it's cold and it's wet, so I ain't about to go skate. But I'll edit some stuff in there anyways. Every day, I usually get woken up by my mom's when I'm in bed sleeping. After that, I usually make myself a nutritious breakfast with some protein or something. I always love the cheddar. After that, if I'm feeling good, I might do a workout or something. Get yoked. I like to take showers. It's pretty much my favorite part of the day. Now's about the time I'd go out and go skate with the homies. So instead, I'm just gonna show you some clips of us skating and such. Hell yeah.
Acid cups in my cup. Oh, boy, first try.
Shut up, dog. Oh. Before I go to sleep, I like to make videos for my YouTube channel. Subscribe to me on YouTube. It's got kitties on it, because I like kitties. I usually pass out around 10 or 10:30 if I'm feeling rebellious. Alright, that's it. Better get a good grade on this, or else.